how to find message notifications settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find message notifications settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find this three lines and stop, click on it and scroll down until you find settings and then just click notifications and scroll down. Here you will find the manage notifications, message notifications, just click on it. And as you see this one, you can turn it off or on and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. And see you in the next video.